In this video, we're going to be talking about the prerequisite that will decide if you're going to be a winner or a loser in life. The only prerequisite to win in life is to take action. Whether you fail or you win, it doesn't matter. If you're taking action, it is guaranteed that you are going to win in the future. But most of the people, they don't take action. They can't take action. They read so many books, they take so many courses, they watch so many YouTube videos like this, where like the YouTuber or the author or the course creator tells them so many things and gives so many actionable tips and shares their knowledge with them, and they hoard that knowledge. Knowledge hoarding is like reading all the books in the world and thinking in your brain that, oh no, this book is going to make me rich. If I do this and this and this, oh my god, I'm going to make millions, I'm going to make 100k, I'm going to make it 200k. And then I can buy that favorite car of mine. And then I can buy that bike that I always wanted to buy. Like, there are so many things that happens in your brain when you just need to take action. But you just keep reading, because reading and watching YouTube videos, watching courses is the easy part. Anyone can do it. You, me, anyone who is literate enough can read books, can watch courses, can watch YouTube videos. But most of the people can't take action. And that is what we are going to fix in today's video. We are going to teach you how to take action, because action is the basis of success. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you need to understand about taking action is that it is a skill. So what if you want to build muscles? What if you lack the skill of muscle building? What do? You go to the gym. You do repetitive focused work of like bench presses, of dumbbell rows, of pull-ups, of push-ups. You do different exercises to grow your muscles. And that is what it needs to be done. To improve your action taking skill, you need to take action consistently and repeatedly for a long period of time. You need to, don't listen to this brain of yours. This brain of yours is going to tell you that you don't need to do this right now. You can do it tomorrow. But at that moment is the right moment to do that thing. Because the moment you listen to your brain, you are falling into the procrastination habit. There is a monkey in your brain that tells you not to do the things right now. It tells you that, okay, you can do it tomorrow. There is no deadline. You can do it the next day. You can do it the next hour. You can just watch reels for 15 minutes, then we can do it. But if you listen to that brain of yours, you are not going to develop the action taking skill. Think about it as a video game skill you have. In video games, you have to take XP in any kind of skill, be it strength, be it stamina and everything. You have to gain XP by doing a bunch of things. And when you are a beginner, you don't just go and slay the dragons. You don't go and do the high thing, you don't go to level 10. So when you're starting out, you have to do small things, like doing just one push-up every day. Now this might sound offensive. Your ego is going to hurt and he's going to say, oh no, I can do more than that. I can do 10 push-ups a day. But give this a try. Lower the bar and make action taking the priority. Don't think about your growing muscles. Think that you are exercising the action muscle. Every time you know what you need to be doing. You know you need to be reading books. You know you need to be meditating. You know you need to do journaling. You know you need to be exercising, going to the gym or doing some form of cardio. But you don't do it. And the reason is simple. And that is because you haven't exercised your action taking muscle. The action taking muscle is weak, and that is why you don't have the urge, the desire, and you don't burst out of your bed to do the things. So you need to first exercise your action taking muscle, and this means taking a hit to your ego and doing just the simple things. If you want to develop the habit of writing, just write one tweet every day. If you want to develop the habit of exercising, just do one push-up every day, and to do that you don't even need to go to the gym. You can do it at your home. If you do one push-up every day and you keep doing it for 60 days, your brain will automatically associate the activity as something that you do every day, and it is going to remind you when the time hits. Like for example, when you do a bad habit, for example, you are engaged in masturbation and porn, and you know that there is a certain time that you watch porn, like your brain automatically reminds you that you need to watch porn and you need to masturbate. That is a habit that has been formed in your brain, and you can do the same thing for good habits too. Like if you do one push-up at the same time every day, your brain is going to remind you, oh Subham, you forgot to do the push-up every day, and you know that I need to do just one push-up to like exercise my action taking muscle. And that's how you improve your action taking muscle. And after you have improved your action taking muscle, taking action on anything becomes far easier, be it doing exercise, be it like doing exercise for 2-3 hours, doing 2-3 hour cardio, or like writing a book or writing a blog article. Everything becomes easier once you have exercised your action taking muscle. And without developing that action taking muscle, you are not going to achieve anything. And it is like a paradox. You can't improve the action taking muscle because you are not doing anything, and you're not doing anything because your action taking muscle is weak. So to improve your action taking muscle, you need to do something. You need to do anything. Like, it is not to improve your life, it is to improve your action taking muscle. Just like I said, you don't do one push-up every day. You are not focusing on improving your gains. You are focusing on improving your action taking muscle. So that's it for today's video. Work on your action taking muscle and improve your action taking skills. Once your action taking skills have improved to a max, then doing anything will become far easier for you. You will not be among the people who procrastinate and say that, oh no, I am not going to do it, because your action taking skills have been maxed out. You are the kind of person who will be able to take action despite feeling anything. Like even if you're tired, even if you don't feel like doing it, you would be able to do that thing because your action taking muscle is strong enough to do it. Like this is like a bodybuilder. Like when you go to the gym, you can't even do bicep curls with a 5 kg dumbbell, but after you become strong, you can do bicep curls with 15 kg dumbbells too. Like that is how important improving your action taking muscle is. So the simple way to develop your action taking muscle is to do focused, repetitive work for a long period of time. So that's it for today's video. And if you like today's video, subscribe to us, because here we help young men become the best version of themselves. So see you in another video, and until then, have a great time.